Hey, what's up everyone, it's mbassoon here. How y'all doing? Today I got a review on the DBest dual rechargeable Bluetooth mini speaker set. I'd like to thank the company DBest for sending me out these awesome and unique speakers for review purposes. In this review I'll be covering the price, the colors, some highlights, some tech specs, what comes in the box, how to use the wires, or also a demonstration, some personal thoughts, and a rating out of 10. So let's jump right into this review by talking about the price. So you guys might already be wondering, how much do these speakers go for? $80? $90? Even $100? Well guys, no, it actually does go online for $70. In the next couple of minutes I'll tell you exactly why these are the best speakers out in the market at the moment. So let's continue on by talking about the colors. So there's many colors that they actually do come in. So it comes in white, black, orange, green, blue, pink, and as you can see in front of me, red. So now that we got colors out of the way, let's continue talking about the highlights. So you can either do wireless, which is Bluetooth, or you can do wired when playing or listening to your music. It's engineered for exceptional clarity of sound. There's a high capacity battery for up to 20 hours wireless or up to 40 hours wired playback. So there's a line input for audio sources without Bluetooth connectivity. And it's compatible with all devices featuring 2.1 and EDR Bluetooth or 3.5mm audio jack. So to work for almost anything, laptops, iPhones, any Apple product, really any phone. So you don't have to worry about if this is compatible for you. Just anything with a 3.5mm audio jack. It's compatible with all standard USB chargers to plug it in. It's powerful built-in amplifier for a surprisingly loud volume. And I'll actually be testing that in a couple minutes. Is a multi-unit connections is available. There's 2 slots available for 2 earphone connections. So now that we got the highlights out of the way, let's just touch base on some of the important tech specs. These are not all the tech specs, but just some of the most important ones that I think you guys should know if you were to purchase these. So rechargeable battery is 600 mAh lithium polymer. The battery voltage is 3.7. The full charging time, so how long it takes to charge to its max, is 3 to 4 hours. The net weight of it is 135 grams, so very, very light. The transmission distance, this is going to be talking about Bluetooth, is only 10 to 15 meters away, so quite a distance. It's 20 to 25 feet or so. The unit dimensions is 60 mm or 100 mm, that's diameter by height. And if you're wondering what actually does come inside the box, I'll tell you exactly. So you have the 2 PS40P03BT, that's a product name, the 2 rechargeable Bluetooth mini speakers right here. And then you have 1 micro USB charging cable with 3.5mm audio connectors, so right here. And then you just have a basic standard 3.5mm line audio cable, so as you can see you got 3.5mm jacks on either side. And then you have a carrying case right here. It's a velvet, just when you're not using your speakers you can just throw them in there and it'll be protected. And then you finally have a user guide which just tells you exactly how to use it, how to charge it, how to take care of it, and just goes over some of the warranty on the back. So now that we got that out of the way, let me just show you guys a quick demonstration of how to use these. So I do have my laptop to the side, so I'm actually going to be plugging in these two, one into USB and one into a headphone jack. So let me do that off to the side so I don't have to mess up the focusing. So I'm actually going to be playing one of my mbassoon videos in the background, and I'll be testing the volume and all that jazz. So it is plugged into my computer. So if you guys are wondering how I actually do plug it into one of the speakers, as you can see it's a micro USB right there. All you do is just plug it into the side. There's a connector there, so just plug it in and you're already ready to go. So one thing that you have to do, there's the off and on button, so you just turn that on, and as you can see there's also LED, and we'll be talking a little bit about that after. The LED shows you how charged it is. So I think we're pretty much ready to roll for the speaker, for one of the 2 speakers. So all you do, how y'all doing? Today I got the results of the recent giveaway, the MW3 in. So that's only with 1 speaker. So as you can already hear, it's pretty crystal clear. But if we add a second speaker, so there's actually on the side here, okay, so let me just figure out the best way to do this. So there you go, you put it into the other one, the input on the other side. So as you can see, they are now plugged in, and we'll hear what they sound like. Your earbuds from Manisho. I'd like to thank the company Manisho for helping sponsor me throughout this giveaway and helping me give away one of these earbuds to. So as you can hear, they're very crystal clear, and now we'll be testing a little bit about the volume. One of my loyal subscribers. So that's 0 volume, and it goes louder. Give away the MW3 in-ear earbuds from Manisho. I'd like to thank the company Manisho for helping sponsor me throughout this giveaway. So as you can hear, they're very loud and actually very crystal clear. It sounds like I'm actually in the room next to you. It sounds like I have a clone right next to me speaking in my ear. But yeah, guys, I was very surprised to hear how amazing these speakers really are. And I have many speakers in my collection, and for something this size, they're actually very amazing, and I definitely would recommend them to literally anybody. So if you are interested in purchasing them, you can find a link to the company's website in the description bar below. But on that, guys, I hope you like this review, and this has been mbassoon. Peace out, and once again, go check them out. Link is in the description bar.